Hey guys, what's up? How are you? I hope that you guys are having an amazing day today. Thank you so much for being here again if you are a returning subscriber, and if you're new, hi, my name is Gerel, and in today's video we're going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing. I do have the base box as well as the premium box that were kindly sent to me from Boxycharm, and we're going to be doing the unboxing right now, as well as I'm going to be showing you a little demonstration from the products that I was able to use on this video. So let's go ahead and get started. But before we do, please don't forget to like. That definitely helps out my channel a lot, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. You can also click on the little bell that will notify you whenever I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. So before we start with the unboxing, I actually wanted to ask you guys a question. I just wanted to make sure that I'm doing the videos that you guys want to see. And I wanted to know if a Boxycharm unboxing and try-on still something that you're still interested in, just so I can incorporate it for next year as well. If you guys are no longer interested in that, I totally understand. That's not a problem, but it will help me a lot to know if you guys still want to see this in my channel. So if you can kindly just comment down below and let me know if you are still interested or no longer interested. That's it. So let's go ahead and start with the base box. So as soon as you open your box, you're going to find this little card right here that gives you the theme of the month, which is invite only. And as well, you're going to find the information for each product that you have in your box and the retail price as well. So the first item that I want to share with you guys is this one right here from Kate Somerville, and this is the Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. It retails for $40. I really like the way it actually felt on my skin. It felt really nice and hydrating. It wasn't stripping my skin. And I'm very particular now that I am 41 years old. I'm very particular with the cleansers that I'm using. I want to make sure that it's definitely not stripping my skin, because my skin as I'm aging is definitely changing. It's not oily, super oily like it was at one point in my life. Now I do have some dryness in the outer part of my face, and now it's actually a little bit more as the weather is changing, so it's getting a little tiny cooler here in Florida, not as much, but I still do see the changes on my skin. So I am going to be adding this one to my rotations, and I think that I'm going to be using this one a little bit more than the one that I'm using right now. And I'm really happy that I have this one, because the one that I'm currently using, which is the pharmacy one, it's a little bit too much for me. I do like that one, especially when I'm wearing makeup, because it actually takes everything off, but I don't wear makeup every single day, so this one is definitely going to be my go-to now. So the next item is this one right here, and this is like super heavy, and I think that this is why this box felt so heavy. This is from the brand Gloasis, and this is the Milk Dew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner. I love it. It felt so nice on the skin. This retails for $34. I really am super excited for this product. One, because I've never tried anything from this brand right here. Two, because I'm actually not using a toner on my skincare, and just because I feel like it overstrips my skin sometimes, and I wanted something that is a little bit more gentle. So this, the part that it says that is a moisture milk toner, that definitely appeals to me and the needs for my skincare. So I'm really excited for that as well. So yay. All right, so we have another skincare items, which are these two masks right here. As you can see, I use this one today. So these two masks right here are from the brand Vita Musquis. I'm probably saying it wrong, but we do have the Nourishing Flower Nectar and also the Glow Juicy Berries, and these two retail for $18. They are both biodegradable, which is really good. And so I was really excited to actually use this sheet mask, and I decided to go with the nourishing one. Once again, just looking for that moisture and to come back to my skin. So I was definitely more drawn to this one right here. It actually felt really good, and it took a little while, but everything just absorbed to my skin after removing the sheet mask. So it was really nice, really good feeling on, you know, just giving yourself that love, that skincare love. So the next product that we have in our box is these Lily lashes right here, and they are called the Falling For You lash, and they retail for $28. Now, let me tell you, the lashes are absolutely beautiful. I love how thin the band is and how just natural it makes your eyes look. They don't look like too much. Really, I'm looking forward to reusing them again for other looks, of course, but I don't think that they're worth $28. Like, you can definitely get lashes like this at the drugstore for much cheaper. So that's my opinion. I'm not saying that they're bad. I just don't think that $28 for these type of lashes is justifiable. I'm just saying. So the last item in our box is this eyeshadow palette, which is from Violet Voss. We do get a lot of Violet Voss palettes in our boxes, which I do appreciate because their quality is really nice, and I was able to create this look. And I think, and I am pretty sure that we have received a purple eyeshadow palette before. Here is how it looks like, and this retails for $37, and these are the shades right here. You do have a little pop of purple right here, but if you really cover this over, you pretty much have a neutral palette. So I do really like and enjoy the quality of Violet Voss. So this is the way that I actually created this look. I took the shade Sunset and I placed it on my crease right in the middle, and I wanted to keep it really low. I didn't want it to take it all the way to the brow bone because I usually do that a lot, but I was trying to keep it a little bit low this time. And then I went ahead with a Desert Sand, and once again I just deepen up on my crease just to really focus and create the depth of my crease. And then I use the shade Dusk with a pencil brush, and I went ahead and just created a wing liner and really connected it on the outer part with a V. I didn't want it to extend it out too much. Once again, I just wanted to keep it right here, right on the lid. I didn't want it to go too high up or too out. And then I went ahead and added this shade right here, which is Lilac, and this is such a beautiful shade, but after blinking for a couple of times I did see that there was just dusting away or fading, so I decided just to pack it, and it really worked, but I can see that it was just fading away. So I went ahead and added a Violet Sunset on top of it, and I thought that this shade right here, Violet Sunset, was going to be a little bit more sparkly, a little bit more on like duochrome or something, but it is just a pinky shade. It does have a little shift, but a really tiny one. You can barely tell, and it actually kind of disappear after a while. So like even the little shine that it has, it just went away. I highlighted my inner corner with the shade Peach. All right guys, so before I forget, because I was about to forget, let's go ahead and do the lower lashes. I'm not going to close it. I'm going to just add a little definition right here in the very outer corner and connecting it to what we did up here, like super tiny definition. And I'm using the shade Dusk, and I'm just going to extend a little bit in the inner corner. All right, now using the shade Peach, I'm just going to add it very specifically to the inner corner, like super tiny amount. I don't want it to be too much, and just sweeping it up. I also use vanilla for my brow bone just to blend everything together, and that is the way that I use this palette today. I thought that it actually performed really well. I was a little disappointed on those two pops of colors, but you know, the other shades worked out just fine. All right guys, so let's go ahead and unbox the premium box, and you also get the same card, of course, showing you all the products that you receive in your premium box. So the first item that we have is the Nude Skin by Nude Sticks, and this is called the Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Peel. This retails for $34, and as you can see, it's really just a balling up. It's pretty much taking any oilness or just really exfoliating your skin. I was able to add a little bit more in the areas where I wanted it, which is really on my T-zone. I was also just exfoliating the outer part of my face because I do wear makeup. Make sure that I exfoliate my skin at least once a week. It definitely did not feel like it was stripping my skin after I rinsed it. It felt really nice and like nourishing. It didn't feel like squeaky, which is really good. So I do look forward to using this one at least once a week. All right, so the next item that we have is this one right here, and this is pretty cool. This retails for $38 and is from the brand The Better Skin Co, and it is called the Eye Bright Now. This is definitely something that it appealed to me right away when it said that it's going to wake up and fight dark circles and puffiness. The puffiness, it sold me. I was like, I'm ready to try it right now. That is definitely my struggle. Is something that I'm becoming a little bit insecure about. I don't feel like I actually have so much puffiness underneath my eyes before having my third child, my surprise child. But now, because due to lack of sleep and of course aging, and it could be also because I gained weight, you know, it's just so many things are happening that it just, my eyes are seeing the results of it. So I'm really excited to try this one, and it says to apply it in the morning and at nighttime, and I'm going to do it because I want to see if I actually do see some changes in the puffiness of my eyes. I don't really have like super severe dark circles. That is not something that I can see in my skin. That is something that is of concern for me, but definitely the puffiness, it needs to go away. But yeah, super excited for this one. All right, so the next item that we have is this one right here, which is from Riddle, and this little thing retails for $50, and it is called the Original Roll-On Oil. And pretty much what it's supposed to do is just create your own scent. It's not supposed to give you any headache. You know, it has like simple ingredients as well. It is amber and musk. It's hypoallergenic, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free. Unfortunately, this did not work out for me because I just don't like the scent. I think it feels really, really musky, too much for me. And even though it doesn't give me a headache or anything like that, it's really strong, and it just didn't work. Next item that we have here is from Galactic, and this is the Rose Oil Petal Gloss. So I went ahead and applied this one after my skincare. I feel really nice on the lips. I actually decided to reuse it again and just apply a lip liner all over my lips and added this one. It does feel a little sticky, not too uncomfortable, but definitely gives you that really nice shine as well. The next item that we have here is from Rodial, and this is the blush drops. This retails for $50. Here is how the bottle looks like. It does have a dropper. Now it's working. I was trying it before and the dropper wasn't working, so it works and then it doesn't work. So you're just gonna have to get a little bit on your hand, and you only really need like a little dot, and I went ahead and just blended out in the back of my hand, and with a sponge I was able to pick up a little bit of the product and just press it onto my cheeks for a blush topper. It just really melted into your skin. It did not disturb any of my foundation or powder underneath whatsoever, so I definitely like this product. But for $50, I don't know. So the last product that we have is from Persona, and I was not able to use this palette. This palette retails for $42. So here is how the palette looks like. So there is definitely a lot of people that really enjoy Persona Cosmetics, and I do have a lot of friends on Instagram that really do enjoy a lot of her items. But this is the only palette that I actually tried myself, and that was a while, like a long time ago, when it first came out, and it was like, I don't know, maybe 2 years ago. So for me, unfortunately, it just didn't work out. I didn't think the quality was there. It was just really patchy, super hard to blend, and it was really sad because I really enjoyed the color story for this one. I think that it is definitely a perfect palette, especially for this time of year, like for fall and autumn. Really, really, really nice. But from what I remember going back to Ulta and returning it. So it just did not work for me. Now that I have it back in my collection, I can definitely retest it. So I will try to create a look for my Instagram. So just in case you're not following me, it is Gerel_Matta. I'm pretty sure that I've already put it somewhere on my videos, because I always try to let you guys know where I'm usually am if I am not here. But yeah guys, that's it for the video. That's it for the unboxing. Thank you so much for being here. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you next time.